As the summer season hits full swing, the European seafood market is showing a sharp divide between wild-caught and farmed species. While warm weather demand is pushing up prices for wild fish, buyers are finding relief in falling prices for aquaculture products. Wild species are experiencing strong price increases in southern Europe, driven by high restaurant and food service demand. Grouper, snapper, and dentex are trading above €30 per kilogram for larger sizes, up about 10% from last month, while flatfish like turbot and sole are also rising, especially in premium retail and horeca markets. Norwegian salmon has dropped nearly 45% since January, reaching €5.87 per kilogram in June, despite record exports. Vietnamese Pangasius remains under pressure due to weak EU demand, while farmed Seabream prices have fallen to 40 cents per kilogram, widening the gap with wild alternatives. Farmed cod is also gaining ground, now making up nearly a third of Norway's fresh cod exports. Tuna trade is shifting, with UK canned and prepared imports up 20% in early 2025. While Ecuador remains the top supplier, China has rapidly emerged, exporting over 1,200 tons after no shipments just 2 years ago, highlighting the need for supplier diversification. Squid prices have dropped significantly in July after Argentina's largest ilex catch in 17 years, with over 200,000 tons landed. While China absorbed much of the volume, European markets are also seeing price declines. In contrast, South African squid prices remain stable due to poor catches and adverse weather. Norway remains a key player in European seafood trade, with mackerel exports up 56% in value and marinated herring exports up 144% following an EU quota increase. Crustacean markets are shifting due to trade and seasonal factors. A 30% US tariff on Indonesian shrimp, effective August 1st, has triggered pre-tariff exports and falling prices. Meanwhile, seasonal EU lobster and crab landings are adding further downward pressure. To navigate current market conditions, we recommend EU seafood buyers lock in contracts on low-priced farmed species like salmon, Pangasius, and Seabream, and secure wild fish early to avoid seasonal price spikes. Diversifying suppliers, especially in tuna, can reduce sourcing risk, while short-term opportunities exist in squid and crustaceans due to oversupply. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our Europe 3-Minute Market Insight to keep tuned in to European market updates. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight Europe Edition. This has been Mariana, reminding you to buy smart and eat more seafood.